Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County, southwestern Madison County, Greene County, northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Beaver Creek, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Xenia, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Jeffersonville. In addition, Greene County Airport, Trebane, Old Town, Wilberforce, John Bryan State Park, Clifton, Middleton Corner, and New Jasper are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 58 and 70. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official